Hi friends, my name is Madhu Sharma. Namaste. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Now, as we all know, obesity and weight gain is a big problem in today's time. So, this is a third video related to Yogasana for weight loss. So, let's start our session with 3 Om, some warm up and asanas. After that, Savasana. Let's start our today's session. Sit in comfortable position. Now start our session with 3 Om chanting. Inhale with both the nostril, exhale with Om sound. Relax, sit quietly, focus on your breathing, relax your mind, relax your body. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now open your eyes, raise your hand in front of your chest, slowly rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Inhale and exhale. Rotate your wrist, hands down. Raise your hand in shoulder line. Now slowly rotate your hands clockwise and anti-clockwise. Slowly make a big circle and rotate your hands. Relax. Now bend your elbows, place your hands on shoulder. Rotate your shoulders clockwise, anti-clockwise. Slowly rotate your shoulder. Relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now sit in Vajrasana. Sit on your heels. Slowly inhale and raise your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms up. Stretch your body up. Exhale slowly, hands down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch your body up. Exhale and slowly hands down. Inhale, slowly hands up. Now exhale and slowly bend right side. Came to center. Exhale, bend left side. Came to center. Exhale, bend left side and bend right side. Bend back. Came to center. Slowly bend forward. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up. Bend back. Bend forward. Center. Exhale and slowly hands down. Relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Stand on your knees. Spread your knees. Your hands on your waist. Now slowly straight your right leg, right side. Raise your hand in shoulder line and slowly bend right side and bend left side. Again, try to touch your big toe with your right hand. Place your left hand on floor, raise your right hand up. Again came to center, exhale and slowly hands down. Repeat from other side. Raise your hand in shoulder line. Slowly bend left side and try to touch your left big toe. Bend right side. Again in center. Bend left side. Center. Place your right hand on floor. Left hand over your head. Again in center. Slowly hands down. Relax. Sit on your heels. Sit in Vajrasana. And now slowly bend forward and came to child pose. Relax. Take a few breaths, relax. Take a few breaths, relax. Inhale and exhale. Feel the breathing. Feel the breathing. Now stand on your knees. Came to tabletop position. Your wrist and ankle is in one line. Inhale, head up and leg up. Exhale, slowly head down and leg in. Again, inhale, head up, leg up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Repeat from other side. Inhale, head up and leg up. Exhale, head down. Again, inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up, leg up. Exhale, head down and relax. Relax. Now tuck your toes. Lift your knees. Came to downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukh Svanasana. Stay here. Stay here. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretching. Feel the stretching. Inhale, right leg forward. Place your right leg in between your hands. Slowly look up. Feel the stretching. Stay here. Slowly leg back. Came to downward facing dog pose. Left leg forward. Feel the stretching. Look up. Slowly leg back. Came to downward facing dog pose. Stay here. Try to shift your body weight toward your heels. Stay here. Now slowly right leg forward. Drop your left knee. Relax your big toe. Your hands on your waist. Slowly inhale, raise your hands up and slowly bend back. Anjani Asana. Feel the stretching. Exhale, slowly hands down. Tuck your toe, lift your knee and leg back. Repeat from other side. Slowly inhale, left leg forward. Drop your right knee. Toe relax. Hands on your waist. Inhale, slowly raise your hands up and slowly bend back. Feel the stretching, hold the pose. Exhale and slowly hands down. Tuck your toe, lift your knee. Came to Downward facing dog pose. Stay here and relax. Now slowly walk forward. Came to Uttanasana. Head up, spine long and active. Feel the stretching, spine long and active. Feel the stretching. Now slowly bend forward. Hold your opposite elbows and slowly bend forward. Feel the stretching. Stay here for few counts. Now hands on your waist. Take your hands back. Interlock your fingers. Slowly bend your knees. Place your chest on your knees. Raise your hands up. Stay here. Feel the stretching. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly hands down. And inhale and come up. Relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Feet together. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Inhale and exhale. Spread your legs in 3.5 feet gap. Raise your hands in shoulder line. Now slowly bend forward. Try to touch your big toes. Touch your opposite big toes with opposite hands. Left hand with right big toe and right hand with left big toe. Hands down, legs together, relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Now again spread your legs 2.5 feet gap. Raise your left hand up and slowly exhale and bend right side. Stay here. Again came to center, hands down. Raise your right hand up and slowly bend left side. Stay here, feel the stretching. Again in center. Repeat one more time. Exhale and bend right side. Stay here, feel the stretching in side trunks. Feel the stretching. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Slowly, legs together. Prepare your body for sun salutation. Take a few breaths, relax. Stand straight with erect spine. Roll your shoulder back. Place your palms in front of your chest. Slowly raise your hands up. Hip forward, thigh forward. Hastottanasana. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Pada Hastasana. Toes relax, shoulder relax, neck relax. Now slowly, right leg back. Ashu Sanchalanasana. Exhale, left leg back. Dandasana, full plank. Knee, chest and chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar. Relax your toes, hips down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Tuck your toe, lift your knee, came to Parvatasana. Stay here for few seconds. Inhale, slowly left leg forward. Again, Ashwasanchalanasana. Right leg forward, Pada Hastasana, bend forward slowly. Inhale, slowly raise your hands up, bend back. Exhale, hands down in Namaskar pose. Relax. Again, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back, drop your left knee. Came to Ashwasanchalanasana. Tuck your toe, lift your knee, right leg back. Dandasana, full plank. Knee, chest in, chin down. Ashtanga Namaskar. Keep your hips up. Toe relax, hip down, inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Stay here for a few counts. Relax. Now inhale, right leg forward, Asvasanchalan. Left leg forward and slowly bend forward. Raise your hands up. Slowly exhale, hands down. Relax. Next we do Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar A. Raise your hands up, join your palms over your head, look at your thumbs. Exhale, slowly bend forward in Pada Hastasana. Inhale, head up, spine long and active. Exhale, walk back or jump back, full plank. Lower plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog pose. Exhale, downward facing dog pose. Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly jump forward, came to Uttanasana. Bend forward. Inhale, raise your both the hands up. Look at your thumbs. Exhale, slowly hands down, Samasthiti. Relax. Now, next we do Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B. Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar B. Inhale and exhale. Stand straight. Bend your knees. Raise your hands up. Utkatasana chair pose. Slowly bend forward. Place your palm on floor, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, raise your head up. Spine long and active, Uttanasana. Exhale, walk back or a jump back, full plank. Lower plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Raise your hands up. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hands down, leg back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left leg forward, Virabhadrasana. Bend your left knee, thigh parallel to floor. Stay here, hold the pose. Feel the stretching inside side trunks. Exhale slowly, hands down, leg back, full plank, and came to lower plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Adho Mukh Svanasana. Stay here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk forward or jump forward. Came to Uttanasana. Exhale, slowly bend forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, bend your knee, raise your hands up, Utkatasana chair pose. Exhale, slowly hands down, Samasthiti. Relax. Take a few breaths, relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, relax your body, relax your mind. Inhale and exhale. Spread your legs, 3.5 feet gap. Turn your left foot left side, right foot right side. Bend your knees, 90-degree thigh parallel to floor. Raise your hands up, interlock your finger. Stretch your hands up. Goddess pose. Stay here. Feel the stretching inside trunks, in your thighs. Feel the stretching. Inhale and exhale. Slowly hands down and came up. Feet together. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Relax. Inhale and exhale, relax. Relax your body, relax your mind. Next we do Utthita Hasta Pada Angustasana. Bend your right knee, hold your right big toe with your right hand. Slowly straight your right leg in front of your chest. Hold the pose. Focus on one point. Tuck your tummy. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretching. Now slowly move your right leg, right side. Stay here. Feel the stretching. Focus. Now again came to center. Bend your knee. Leg down. Relax. Again stand straight. Repeat from other side. Bend your left knee. Hold your left big toe with your left hand. Now slowly straight your left leg in front of your chest. Stay here. Hold the pose. Tuck your tummy. Slowly move your left leg, left side. Stay here. Hold the pose. Hold the pose. Again bend your knee, came to center, leg down and relax. Again both the feet together, hands on your waist. Now slowly raise your right hand up, right leg up. Stay here. Hold the pose. Relax. Repeat from other side. Raise your left leg up. Hold the pose. Stay here. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Take a few breaths. Relax. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Stand straight. Next we do Utkatasana chair pose. Bend your knees. Raise your hands up. Join your palms over your head. Tuck your tummy. Hold the pose. Stay here. Feel the stretching. Now slowly bend forward. and turn right side. Place your left arm on your right knee. Make a side namaste. Stay here. Feel the stretching. Again came to center. Repeat from other side. Turn to left side. Place your right arm on left knee. Make a side namaste and hold the pose. Again came to center. Relax. Take a few breaths and relax. Take a few breaths. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Next we do Vrikshasana. Stand straight. Bend your right leg. Place your right heel on left root of the thigh. Raise your hands up. Join your palms over your head. Feel the stretching. Focus on one point. Tuck your tummy. Exhale and slowly hands down. Repeat from other side. Bend your left leg. Place your left heel on right thigh. Raise your hands up. Focus at one point. Feel the stretching. Stay here. Exhale, slowly hands down and leg down. Relax. Now sit in Vajrasana. Move your legs and relax. Move your legs and relax. Move your big toes. Move your big toes and relax. Inhale and exhale. Move your legs and relax your body. Now sit in Dandasana. Both the feet together. Your back should be straight. Inhale and exhale. Bend your right leg. Place your right heel, right ankle on left root of the thigh. Take your right hand behind your back. Hold your right big toe with your right hand. Slowly inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale and slowly bend forward and hold the pose. Hold the pose. Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. Hold the pose. Stay here, inhale and exhale, hold the pose. Feel the stretching. Inhale. Slowly raise your hand up. Exhale, hand down and relax. Repeat from other side. Bend your left leg. Place your left ankle on right thigh. Take your left hand behind your back. Hold your left big toe with your left hand. Your spine should be straight. Raise your right hand up. Stretch your hand up and slowly bend forward from your hips. Slowly bend forward and hold the pose. Bend forward, hold the pose. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretching. Inhale, exhale. Stay here. Slowly inhale and come up. Raise your hand up and hand down. Relax. Move your legs and relax. Move your legs and relax. Now bend your knees. Sit on your heels. Came to Vajrasana. Next we do Ushtasana, camel pose. Stand on your knees. Stand on your knees. Your hands on your hips. Now slowly bend back. Try to touch your heels. Try to touch your heels. Head down, hip forward and thigh forward. Stay here, hold the pose, feel the stretching. Inhale and exhale, feel the stretching. Again slowly, Hands on your hips. Exhale and slowly came to Vajrasana. Spread your knees and slowly bend forward and relax your spine. Relax your spine and relax your body. Stay here. Stay here. Relax your body, relax your spine. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Slowly came up. Again in Vajrasana. Stay here. Observe your breathing. Now slowly turn right side and left side. Take your hands behind your back. Place your palms. Now slowly lift your chest up, head down. Feel the stretching in your spine. Again, lift your chest up. Feel the stretching in your spine and relax. Repeat one more time. Relax. Relax. Focus on your breathing. Now came to Savasana and relax. Close your eyes. Relax. Yes. Raise your right leg up in 90-degree. Hold your right big toe with your hand and stay here. Stay here. Feel the stretching. Stay here. Now slowly bend your knee and relax. Repeat from other side. Bend your left knee, hold your left big toe and slowly raise your left leg in 90-degree. Hold the pose. Slowly lift your neck up. Lift neck and chest up. Hold the pose. Bend your knee and release your leg. Relax. Relax in Savasana. Relax.